Hello everyone. In this episode, I will show you one of the most awaited Power BI feature, dark mode, now available in the Power BI desktop. This feature is included in the September release of Power BI. So if you want to enable it, please upgrade your Power BI desktop to the September 2024 release. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. To enable a dark mode, I will click on File and I will click on options and setting, and again I will click on options, and here you can see report setting. Just click on the report setting, and here you can see personalization, and here you can see choose a theme. So now let me select. Here you can see the dark mode, light preview, and use system setting preview. So first we'll discuss each and every themes. First we'll select our dark preview, and now I will click on OK button. So you can see the Power BI in a dark mode. Now there is after setting the dark mode, there is no need to restart the Power BI desktop. So you can see the Power BI in the dark mode. Now let me again go back to File, Option and Setting, Options. Again I'll come to Report Setting, and now I'll select a light preview and click OK. So it is a light preview, or it is, you can see the, like, the normal Power BI look and feel. Now let me again go back to the File and Options and Setting and Options, and we'll see the last option. Again I'll click on Report and Settings, and now I'll select Use System Setting Preview. So use System Setting Preview is like, your window themes and the Power BI look and feel will be the same. So in my window themes is like, light mode, so you will not see any impact. But if your window theme is something different in the dark mode, or something you have customized your window window theme, so it will automatically, if you select this one, the Power BI desktop is also same. So let me select, click OK. So there is no impact. Basically, my window theme is the same, in the light mode, so you will not see any impact. So this is all about the themes and the dark mode. Thank you for watching.
I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.